Hi guys, Tasos here, and I'm so excited right now. And it's 3:45 in the morning, and I just finished recording videos for a trailer. I'll let you know in a while. And I'm very excited with what's happening with Web 3.0 experience. There is so much interaction and so much interest from people that are attending the Symposium event with Ryan Levesque and his guests. And I gave you an overview of the first day, and I've recorded the videos for the overview of day 2 and day 3 in one video. I just haven't produced it. I will be producing it during the weekend, and I'm preparing for my webinar that I'm going to deliver probably on Sunday, hopefully, because on Monday we have news. But don't miss today's session with Ryan. The Symposium is the most important session. Ryan, he will be discussing why traditional funnels don't work so well anymore and what we can do instead. Of course, it's building quiz funnels. It's the most effective way. It's the strategy, the number one strategy to really get in the mind of your customers. And look what's happening when people complete let's say a survey or a questionnaire, or when you complete a form. It's an experience where you feel that you are giving something, you are giving some information, and the brand collects this information, the website, whatever, wherever you are giving this information. But when you complete the quiz, the psychology is a little different. You are you feel that you are receiving something, you are getting something instead of giving something. You feel that the brand is there to help you because they ask you questions about you. And when that is done during the first contact, it's very important. And no matter what your business is, you can use your website as an automatic salesperson to ask these simple questions about your company. If someone does not want to answer the question, doesn't answer the question and move on. There are some cases, some businesses, that a customer may want to enter a store and not getting asked any question by anyone, and that's okay. But when you have a website and it's there and someone visits, having the question there is a no-brainer. If they want to answer, they answer, and you collect this information. It's zero-party data, the most sensitive information that we can collect. It's information that visitors give on their own, willingly, intentionally. They know what they are doing, and they give this information because they know that they are going to earn something. And this is what we can do with SMS messages as well now. And I describe email marketing and SMS marketing in the overview of day 2 and day 3, so I'll be producing this video not to discuss that right now. So I'm preparing for the webinar, my webinar about live experiences, approaching consumers and categorizing them with my 7 ideals methodology. I will go through the 7 ID zone, marketing jargon, and we'll be touching upon the language that we use, emotional and empathetic marketing, the importance of questions, and I'll show you how my methodology works and how we are entering the Web 3.0 economy. So we have Symposium, day 5, Ryan Levesque, marketing funnels. We have my webinar, and we added new resources on the Web 3.0 page. I have an article about the power of quiz funnels. I give you examples of quizzes and how we use them. And there is so much information, so many guides you can download. There are quizzes to help you get answers for your business and see those quizzes in action. And I'm preparing first thing in the morning tomorrow. I'm producing the trailer for the quiz funnel workshop, and hopefully I'll publish an article describing everything in more detail. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. We are moving forward with the new version of the web. If you want to schedule an interview, this lasts for 15 or 20 minutes, and we can do it even with emails. We can do it live in video. We can do it in audio. We can use Telegram, WhatsApp, any application that you have on your phone, on your computer, anything at all. We are everywhere. Any social channel you want to use, let me know and we can schedule the interview. Get your brand featured on our blog, get exposure. Thousands of people are visiting those pages. It's a great chance for you to get your brand out, get free exposure, and get to meet us and how we work. Let's navigate together new economy. So thanks for watching. Take care.